What is sea breeze? A sea breeze is a local wind system that blows from the sea to the land, usually during the day, due to the land heating up faster than the water, creating a pressure difference. Sea breeze factors. The sea has a greater heat capacity than land, so the surface of the sea warms up more slowly than the surface of the land. As the sun radiates energy at more or less constant rate, it will take longer for water to heat up. This differential heating of adjacent land and sea surfaces is the main factor in the formation of sea breezes. How does a sea breeze form? A temperature difference of about 3 degrees Celsius is required for a sea breeze to start to develop. Other factors that are required for sea breezes to form are light offshore winds at about 3,000 feet. This aids the higher level flow out to sea to get the process started. The sea breeze circulation is composed of two opposing flows, one at the surface, called the sea breeze, and one aloft, which is a return flow. These two flows are a result of the difference in air density between the land and sea caused by the sun's heating. The sun warms both the ground and ocean at the same rate. However, since the ground's heat remains confined to the top few inches of soil, it radiates back into the atmosphere, warming the air. As the air warms, its density decreases, creating a weak low pressure area called a thermal low. Over the adjacent water, the cooler, more dense air is pulled down by gravity and begins to spread inland. This inland push of air from the ocean undercuts the less dense air over the land, forcing it to rise. A sharp boundary develops due to the large difference between the air temperature over the land and over water. This boundary, called a sea breeze front, acts in the same manner as the cold fronts often associated with a land of storms when a cooler, dense air mass advances and replaces a warmer air mass, resulting in quick, significant temperature and weather changes. So the importance of sea breezes play a role in moderating coastal temperatures and can bring a refreshing breeze on hot days.